Ready to get started on your new wallpaper project? Here's our official guide to installation. New wallpaper by Wallpops goes up in minutes and comes down in seconds. We recommend watching this entire video until the end before starting your DIY. First, make sure you have everything you need for your DIY. You will need a tape measure, a level or a plumb bob, a pencil, a ruler or a straight edge, a utility knife and plastic smoother set, a step stool or ladder, and your new wallpaper. Next, check all the batch and pattern numbers on your wallpaper rolls to ensure they match. Also, remove the rolls from the packaging and ensure they are undamaged and free from misprints. Finally, be sure you have enough rolls for the job, accounting for pattern repeats. Then, allow your wallpaper to acclimate to the room where you'll be installing it for at least 48 hours. While you wait, you can review our FAQs. Prepare your wall properly before installation by cleaning it well with a damp cloth and a mild soap. You don't want any soap or cleaner residue left over before installing. Make sure to switch the power off and remove any outlet and light switch covers that will be in the way during our installation. Start from the corner of your room, draw a straight vertical line using your level, 20 inches from the corner. Most of our wallpaper is 20.5 inches wide. We want to leave a ½ inch overlap at the corner for a seamless look on the next wall, or to trim flush. If you're installing a feature wall, start in the center of your room and draw a straight vertical line as a guide in the center. You can use the entire roll during installation and cut strips as you go, or pre-cut your strips. To pre-cut, simply measure the height of your wall and add 4 inches for the strip length. You'll be leaving 2 inches overhang at the ceiling and floor. If you use the pre-cut method, go 1 strip at a time so you can pattern match, and mark the top of your strip on the backing paper so you don't install it upside down. Now we're ready to install. Pull down a few inches of the backing paper at the top of the strip. Carefully align the top of the strip along the guide you created. When you're happy with the placement, use your hand to smooth the top of the strip to the wall. Be sure not to stretch the wallpaper as you apply it, and be careful around the backing paper to avoid paper cuts. Evenly and slowly, pull down a bit more of the backing and smooth the strip onto your wall from top down with the smoother tool. If you need to reposition, slowly pull the wallpaper towards you and re-adhere in the same way. Use your plastic smoother with moderate pressure to fully adhere your wallpaper to the wall. Smooth out any air bubbles by pushing them center outwards as you go with the smoother. When your strip is fully adhered to the wall, use your utility knife and smoother as a guide to trim excess wallpaper at the ceiling and floor that we added earlier. For the next strip, hold the wallpaper up to the adjacent strip to determine where the pattern matches. Then, apply the next strip in the same way, using your first strip as a vertical guide. Overlap each strip by about 1/32 of an inch, or ½ a millimeter, to ensure a seamless look. When you come across an outlet or a light switch, use your utility knife to trim away excess paper that would cover the outlet or switch. Again, make sure you turn the power off before removing the covers or installing. If you're having trouble with an uneven corner, try cutting into the corner rather than wrapping from one wall to the next. When you start a new wall, use your level or plumb bob to create a new straight vertical guideline to follow. Follow these steps for your entire space, and you're done. You can clean new wallpaper using a damp cloth. Avoid excessive liquids, as it may damage the wallpaper. New wallpaper's adhesive is repositionable and always removable. To remove, simply peel up a top corner with your finger. Free the top of the strip and slowly pull directly downwards. It leaves no residue or damage. New wallpaper is great for more than just room makeovers too. Use your favorite designs or scraps from this project to DIY furniture makeovers. Simply peel back a few inches, smooth with the smoother, trim any excess, and you're done. Easiest makeover ever. Seriously.